So, hi guys. This is my dinner for tonight. I just boiled my cauliflower and I'm just gonna add the chicken luncheon meat, this one. So, I cut it into cubes and I will gonna add the lurpak butter. It's unsalted. So, I'm gonna put it again into microwave. So hi guys, now I gonna add this chicken luncheon meat here now. So we're gonna put it here. This one, just shredded, like this one scattered all the luncheon meat from here. It look yummy. Since I don't want to fry it and I don't want to saute it, so I decided to make like this. And I gonna add some head of garlic. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna add some garlic. So these are the garlic that I'm gonna add. So I'm gonna fill it. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 garlic. So I'm gonna chop it here. Yummy. Just to add the savor and flavor for this. I'm using the bread knife. Since I'm not in the kitchen, I'm here inside of my room. And I don't want to go out from my room. Only I have in my room was the microwave. So it's a big help for me. Sometimes I cook my egg using a microwave oven. Since I'm done, now I'm gonna scatter it again. Same like what I did to this one. Same like what I did on the luncheon meat, chicken luncheon meat. Then I'm gonna add now the Lurpak cheese. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored by Lurpak company, and the chicken luncheon meat is not also sponsored by Orient Gardens. So they are not sponsored once again. So I'm gonna cut this. So yummy. I will not gonna eat with the rice, so I'm gonna put it here as well. Yes. Yes, no. One more slice, 2 more slices. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna wrap again the butter and put inside again to my fridge. So I'm gonna take this one and take this one. And I'm gonna put this one into my microwave oven for 5 minutes. Oh, before I forgot, I'm gonna add the salt and pepper. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. Ooh, just let the done. Then let's add the salt and the pepper. Yum. I love pepper, so I'm gonna add this pepper. So that's it. So that's my finished product. So yummy. Oh my god, the aroma, the butter already melted. Oh my god. Oh my god, the pepper. The red and black pepper. Oh, so yummy with chunks of chicken luncheon meats and made rings. It's each drink. So that's it. Yeah, so hi guys, good evening. I'm back. So those are the finished product that I made using microwave oven, since I don't want to go out from my room. So that's the reason why I use the microwave, and this microwave is a big help for me, especially for me. So here's my drink. I still have almost half of the bottle of the peach drink. So this is the first time that I boiled or I cook vegetables in the microwave. So I add the chunks, chicken luncheon meat chunks. I cut it into cubes. Then I add 4 pieces garlic. Then of course if you saw the laptops, it's because I'm here at my computer table. So this is my computer table, and it's two purposes. It's computer table and my dining table. It's time to taste and to eat our dinner. So come on. Oh my god, yummy. Let's see the smoke. Oh my goodness. Actually, I love this one with vinegar, so I have vinegar. Wait. Ta-da! This one's a spicy vinegar. Yummy. So, I love it. I love it. So yummy. It's yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yummy, yum. I love the butter that melted on the. It's so yummy. It's really, really yummy. This one's the chicken chunks. Why it's so yummy? Why? The butter, the salt, and what are you gonna call this? The black and red pepper. It's perfect. You know the texture of the broccoli, the cauliflower is so crunchy. Yeah. No. So yummy. Really love it. I don't eat rice, so you don't see any rice on my table. I don't know, but even in the Philippines, when I eat this broccoli, the cauliflower, I want to dip it with vinegar. It's so yummy. Why? You know, it's perfect. Broccoli and the chicken luncheon meat, it's absolutely perfect. Yummy. My goodness. I bought this cauliflower in the supermarket like 3 days ago. If you saw my video, I was eating the smoked salmon and the chicken Caesar salad. That time that I make grocery for me. So it's like 3 days already. And inside the fridge, now it's become yellowish and start to bloom the flower. Actually, the flowers started already to bloom. It's like I'm doing mukbang now. You know, it's good really when you add some butter on the vegetable. It's give flavor and aroma. I'm sorry, I should not eat like the This is not good habit. Even you are talking when your mouth is full, it's not a good habit also. But since I'm doing vlogging, I need to talk. The garlic. This must be garlic. Did you know garlic is good for the heart? Yummy. Can I put it here first? Yeah. Oh my god, I think I'm full already. Yep. My stomach is full, I don't know. Garlic. 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 I didn't know, but most of the Filipino, they love garlic, especially making it deep in vinegar. It's prayer time. I love it, really, I love it. So yummy. Really, my stomach is full. Later, we're gonna eat this one again. Okay, this is the last piece that I gotta eat. I need to chew it. I'm done. So that's it for my video for tonight. So if you like this video, please click like, share, and comment down below if you have any suggestion, and always hit the notification bell so that you will always be notified on my upcoming video. So yalla bye bye, masalamang shukran jazilan, and thank you for watching once again on my YouTube channel. And this is your only one, my Ichi Travel and Pete. Yalla bye!